Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can build your first VR experience using ICVR, pre-made scenes and prefabs. I hope you already download the ICVR framework from GitHub. If you didn't, go to github.com/icvrhub/icvr_framework, then click releases, and then you have to download a source code zip folder. I have already downloaded mine before, so I'm going to now go Assets, Import Package, Custom Package, and here we can see this is the content of the ICVR framework package. And now we have to open the ICVR DLC package. So let's open that. And let's hit import. And now we have to wait a little bit and for this to load. So here you can see we have a new folder, ICVR scenes. So let's double click on it. And here we can see we have 5 folders with 5 different pre-made scenes. So let's open scene number 1, which is called the labyrinth. And here we have a scene file that we have to double click on it to be able to open it. So let's do it. And here we can see that the space is already built for you. So let's hit play and see how that works. You can use arrows or AWSD to navigate through the space. We can walk around. So you can see there are some corridors. It's a little bit scary. Okay. Let's explore scene number 2, which is a tiny island. Double click on the scene file, and here we have like a island in the middle of the ocean. So let's hit play. And let's explore it. Oh, there's some music going on. You can hear the waves. You can play with this ball. What you can also do, you can go upstairs here and become a DJ. Huh? Okay, let's explore scene number 3, which is called the space pod. Double click on the scene file, and here we can see there's like some kind of construction suspended in the middle of space. So let's hit play. You can walk around, and here we have a platform, so let's jump on it. Because and the platform is going to lift us up, and now we can admire all the stars in the universe. You can jump from it to the balcony. Yep. And now I'm on the balcony. I can walk around. Yeah, so just a kind of simple space. Let's explore scene number 4, which is non-NFT gallery. Double click on the scene file. Let's press play. And here we can see we have like a room where we have empty walls with a place for our own art, or you can put here whatever you want. As an example, I just put ICVR logo here, and I also put Internet Computer logo here. Okay, let's explore scene number 5, which is space station. Let's hit play. And again, we can walk around. We can look through the window, admire stars. Yeah, that's another place you can use for your build. Okay, so now let's go back to the ICVR scenes folder, and here we can see a folder called prefabs. Let's open it. And here we have all sorts of assets that are ready to be just drag and drop into the game. You don't need any additional settings to make those objects work in your scene. So let's drop this beach ball. Let's drop this box. Gonna put that chair. There's like a some sort of disco ball. Let's put this sofa maybe here. I'm gonna put a few cards maybe on top of that box, maybe one card on top of the chair. What else I can put? Oh, let's put the DJ. This is like a DJ sort of thing. Can put this as well here in the room. Okay, now let's hit play. And we can see that we can already interact with those objects. So this card, for example, I can pick it up. I can pick it up and throw it away. The same with the ball. I can lift it and throw it. The box, I can sort of move the box with my body. The chair, I can also lift the chair and throw it around. Sofa is probably too heavy to lift it, but my body is still kind of cannot go against it. And here we also have the DJ things. Also super heavy stuff, so you can't really go through it. Okay, so now I would recommend you to save your project. You can see like a little star next to the scene file. That means your project is not saved yet. So if you go File, and if you hit Save, now you can see the star is gone. So your project is now saved. It's now time to build this project. So let's go File, Build Settings. We need to add scene. And here we can see that we have our ICVR 5 scene, the same as here. We can disable that sample scene because we only want to build the scene we've just built. Here you need to make sure you have WebGL selected, and now you can simply hit build. And now I would recommend you to make a new folder called Unity_build. And I would recommend you to name it exactly like I did. So Unity_build. And now you just need to select that folder. And now Unity is building your VR experience, is compiling your VR experience into a bunch of files, including the WebAssembly code. So that will take a while to build. Okay, looks like the build is finished. Let's go to the Unity build folder, and we can see that now all the files are here. You can also see here in the console, you should get a message that the build completed with a result of succeeded. So later on, I'll show you how to put the code we just generated onto the canister, and also how we can run this code in the IC local network.